put some fuel. Gotta take out my card. Put them in here. Here's the fuel tank. Have them on both sides. And here at Love's. First thing I gotta do, swipe my cards. And then put in the information. Just keep them in here. And then I have the deaf. And then I have to go on the other side. These are the gloves that I like to use. Check the tires. And then you can also check the coolant level. So here's the other pump. Fill it up. And then always check your tires. Make sure you don't have any nails. Then you go all the way around to the other side. Always check your tires. Kick them. There's a FedEx truck. Make sure nobody messes with your seal. And then once you're done fueling, you move up and go get your receipt.